Good morning, Jaguars. It's another great day at Jefferson where Jaguar leaders use their ideas and hands to change the world. Today is Monday, October the 26th. Our menu for lunch this week is today muffin yogurt string cheese, on Tuesday hot dog on a bun, Wednesday chicken tenders and sauce, Thursday chicken slider buns, and on Friday Wild Mike cheese bites and sauce. Jaguars, if you and your family choose to participate in fall festivities this week, we encourage you to choose safety first. Remember to have an adult check your candy before you eat it. It's also important that we work together to prevent community spread, so we encourage you to wash your hands, wait and practice social distancing, and wear your masks. Our Live Touch Shutterfly information has arrived. If you are a face-to-face learner, your picture information will be sent home with your child. If you are a remote choice learner, then you may stop by Jefferson to pick up your child's picture information. As we all work together to meet unexpected needs during this pandemic, we want to make families aware of the following community resources. On Wednesday, October the 28th, from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m., there will be a Second Harvest mobile pantry food distribution in the parking lot of Northeast Church of Christ at 2217 Beechnut Drive in Kingsport. This is the church at the entrance of Preston Forest Subdivision, just off Stone Drive. Also, the Salvation Army has some funds available to help families with past rent or electric or water bills as long as the reason is COVID related. You may contact Ms. Reese at 423-246-6671. Remember, your contact must be made by October the 30th. As we learn of other community resources, we will post them on Class Dojo and the weekly announcements. It's birthday time at Jefferson. It's time to celebrate our Jaguar birthdays for the week. So a big happy birthday shout out goes to, on October 26th, in 4th grade Olivia L. and in 4th grade Bella M. Miss Sandra B., one of our cafeteria staff, and Miss Montgomery, one of our 4th grade teachers. Celebrating a birthday on October 27th is Miss Fanning, one of our front office staff. On October the 28th in 1st grade is Alden H. In 1st grade, Jude H. Celebrating a birthday on October the 29th in kindergarten is Maddie B. In 2nd grade, Arissa P. And in one of our 3rd grade teachers, Mrs. Mead. Celebrating on a birthday on October 30th is in 1st grade, Aiden H. I hope all of you enjoy celebrating your birthday this week, and just remember you are an amazing gift to our world. And now it's time for our words of wisdom. In Counselor Connection, we've been learning that our choices through our words and actions help us stay connected with people, or our choices of words and actions can cause us to be disconnected from others. We also have explored together when big feelings come to visit us, instead of them controlling us, we can control them. Choosing to practice the 5 steps from our Jefferson I Can hand is a great tool to use when those big feelings come to visit. The first thing that we need to do is pause and name the feeling that you are experiencing. This allows you to begin to take the steps to keep the feeling from growing any bigger. Next, it's time to breathe. It's important to do this correctly so that big feeling can begin to lessen. So we breathe in through our nose so deeply that we can feel our belly buttons move. And then we need to exhale and let that air out slowly. Jaguars, it is important to practice this breathing technique at least 5 times, but 10 times is best. The oxygen that you are breathing in helps your body to relax, as well as provide your brain with the oxygen it needs to help you begin to explore positive ways to deal with that big feeling that you are experiencing. Then next, it's time to focus. First, take a look around the area that you're in and name 5 things that you see that you've not noticed before. Second, name 4 things that you hear. Next, name 3 things that you're currently feeling. Number 4, name 2 things that you smell. And finally, name 1 thing that you are grateful or thankful for at that very moment. The wonderful thing about our brain is when we choose to practice focusing on these 5 areas, our body gives us a rest from that big feeling that we've been experiencing. After you've finished pausing, breathing, and focusing, and that big feeling seems to keep hanging around, you know what, Jaguars? It's time to move. Exercise and being outside is the best choice when we move. But other choices that you might might make would be to draw or play an instrument or listen to music, play a board game or cards. Find something that you enjoy and do it. After completing number 4, then if you still need help with those big feelings, then you can seek support. Talk to an adult you trust. They can help you find healthy ways to take control of your feeling instead of it controlling you. So Jaguars, choose wisely and stay connected. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. And Jaguars, at this time, you may now join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.